Assalamu alaikum to everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you my 5th class on ciphers. You must know that our last class was about question and answer or time, our daily routine, sharing our daily routine with present past simple, and our current class was starting with about extra information to about last class, and the English and continues to my English. I am starting from the first class, so it was very, don't angry with me because it was late. Practicing about super simple, and our special class was so overview of last class. Our 5th class starting was starting with overview of last class. It was very noisy, but because it is rainy season, in outdoor, raining cats and dog. Question and answer, overview of last class, and question and answer on our daily work with past form and present form and the future form. In past form, use did to question, to make a question, use did to make a question, and in present form use do and does to make a question, and in future use will to make a question, like did you go to school, did you go to school, and in future like do you go to school, and in future will you go. So there was many more example about it. So let's go to the next slide. So we can show that our next class, our 5th class, is new. In the new matter in 5th class, the new issue in 5th class is a pattern of WH question, WH question and answer pattern, WH question and answer pattern. So first we will see the pattern, and second one the pattern, which pattern use about, which about, and the third one is question, and last one is answer. We saw the first part, 4 part, and first part is what. It is a pattern of WH question: what, when, where, how often, how, with whom, and which thing. The what is about the what used to lie about some. I checked my video. So what is used to some mention the object, and when used to about knowing about time of work, and where used to knowing about place of work, place of door, and often, how is used to about knowing about a method of doing the work, and how often is used to time frequency, knowing about time frequency. About time frequency, I mean, how many times repeated, how many times repeated the work in a specific time, how many times repeat the work. So with whom used to repeat, knowing about peer of the work, and which things used to knowing about the type of the any things. So what you used to making question, and now we will make a question about each pattern. With each pattern, what do you do? Answer: I go. And when do you go? About time, when do you go? I can answer with I go in the morning. And where do you go? About place. So I can answer I go to my school. And question, how do you go? How do you go? Which method you used to go? I can answer that I go by car. And how often do you go? How often do you go? And I can answer every other day. Every other day. And with whom do you go? With whom do you go? I can answer I go with my friend. And which car do you use to go? Which car do you use to go? I can answer I go by auto rickshaw. So it is very easy. It was very nice and enjoyable class, and thanks to everybody. And our last part is practice and practice. So our practice was our homework or practice was question and answer on our daily routine. Wake up, took shower. When did you wake up? When did you wake up? When did you took shower? Take shower? When did you perform prayer? So like this, question and answer about on our daily routine. Thank you everybody to watch my full video, and see you next in the next video, inshallah ta'ala. Still then, happy and safe, and especially thanks to our teacher who teaches us this knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Still then, happy